in today's troubleshoot that will help resolve if you're experiencing an issue with no sound or audio output on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, select sound. And then underneath the output section, you should see something that says volume. Make sure it's turned up. And then also if you have external speakers, make sure that they are turned on and powered up as well. And you also have the correct output device listed here. And if you're still having problems, you can scroll all the way down the bottom and then underneath advanced, select the output devices troubleshooter. And then hopefully your issue should be resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.